CJ here from D&S Automotive with Matt Mormile from the Mormile Agency. We're here to talk about why it's important for a relationship to be good between an agent and a collision center. The relationship between me and Matt is that we have the same expectation for customer service. We both believe in the same core values that both our businesses have. And that, for you as a client or a customer, could be the reason why you would need our services or need his services. Working together, we want to provide the best customer experience for you, whether you are a claimant or you're insured or you're looking for new insurance, to make sure that you have the correct insurance needed so that your vehicle can be repaired to pre-loss condition. The relationship between us is going to help you as a customer because of trust. The Mormile Agency prides themselves on great customer service, and so do we here at D&S Automotive. We have elite customer service, from claims handling, rental reservation, and a lifetime warranty for all our repairs. That's why we've been in business for 48 years. I've known Matt for 15 years, maybe more, and that's why we have a great working relationship. So if you need us, it happens, we can fix it.
Hello everybody, this is Matt Mormile, president of the Mormile Agency in Mentor, Ohio. We love D&S for many reasons. Their elite customer service, guaranteed life of the vehicle for the repairs, and they also have a concierge rental car service that they help out all of our policyholders with. So in the event of any collision incident and you need help, D&S Automotive is one of our trusted partners. At the Mormile Agency, Inc., we love doing business with local, family-owned businesses like D&S Automotive. So our clients can rest assured that in the event of a collision, that a family, locally owned business is there to support them throughout the whole process. All they have to do is place one phone call to us at the Mormile Agency, and we'll take care of the claim from start to finish, working directly with D&S Automotive to make sure all of your expectations have been exceeded.